In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a free email campaign in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Email Newsletter and select the Email Newsletter option. Canva will open a canvas that is designed for email campaigns. Next, browse through the available email templates. Canva offers many ready-made newsletter layouts that are designed for marketing emails. Choose a template that matches your brand or the message you want to send. After selecting a template, start editing the design. Click on the text boxes to change the headline, description, and any details you want to include in your email campaign. You can also replace the images with your own photos or graphics. Go to the Upload section, upload your images, and drag them into the design. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout so the email design matches your brand style. You can also add buttons, icons, or additional sections from the Elements tab to make the email more engaging. Once your email design looks good, click Share and then Download. You can download the design as a PDF or JPG depending on how you plan to send your email. After downloading the file, you can upload the design into your email marketing platform or attach it to your email campaign so your audience can view the newsletter.